What's up, everybody? So I just did my embarrassing moments video, and I wanted to make a little more for you guys. That was my cousin Rebecca. She's adorable. She's gonna be 2 in November. Why are you shy? Look at it. What's a kitty make? Becca, what's a kitty make? No. What's a kitty make? What's a puppy make? You know, you silly girl. Now she's being silly, mixing them up. Yeah, so I was bored, so I wanted to do that. Oh, I think she likes the camera. Beep, beep. Becca, beep, beep. What's a kitty make? What's a kitty make? What? What's a puppy make? She's the most adorable thing. Last night she wanted to brush my hair, so she was brushing my hair for a while. Okay, bye bye.